Hello amigas, today we're going to be doing a Kali Uchis inspired makeup look. I don't know if you can tell, but the hair is already ready, and now we're going to get into the base, and we're going to be following this picture as our reference. I also watched Kali Uchis' Vogue video, and that inspired me to do this little video, and also her new album just dropped and she's pregnant, so we must do a makeup inspired look for her. So let's get into it. So she's a very glowy queen, so we must get glowy products. A portable version of a product that you will want is the e.l.f. Halo Glow. Another one would be the Say Star Glow Drops. This one is also a very shiny under base that you can add. Add this under your base and it will make it super bright. This one's more of a like tinted glow. This one is gonna make you look like the stars. So she does have a more of a Latina queen kind of makeup. So let's first start off with our primer. I'm using the e.l.f. Power Grip Niacinamide primer for this look, and I also just did my hair with a straightener, and I just curled the bottoms of the straightener. She's look that she does that updo, and all I did was just put it in a little clip. This is the niacinamide one, and I recommend for all my skincare girlies, niacinamide. She also has very clear skin, which I do not have, and she did her skincare before her makeup, which is probably why she looks super glowy, but like I forgot to do that part. Now we're just gonna apply the e.l.f. Putty Primer everywhere where we have pores showing up. They're like, hey girl, hey amiguita. Since I mentioned that Kali uses skincare before, I'm gonna be using these free. Using this, they sent it to me. It's a green tea sea hyaluronic serum, and it was really good. I'm just gonna apply it to the base. We're just gonna let everything settle. And now we're going to apply our glowy base. So first we're gonna start with the Say drops. We're just going to, and we're just going to blend it with our fingers. If I'm looking this way, it's because my vanity mirror is in front of me. So I'm done with the Say drops, and now we're just gonna go with the e.l.f. Glow. I was mentioning Kali Uchis recently dropped her new album. My favorite song right now is the one with Peso Pluma, and it's so good. I'm very much enjoying it. We're just gonna blend out the e.l.f. Halo Glow in the parts where we highlighted, and you apply like highlighter, that's where I applied it. I'm going to apply a dewy foundation, which she also does. Her foundation is like super like glowy. I don't know what foundation she uses, but I will put it here now.
I'm really loving Huda Beauty right now. I usually do a few different tones.
I'm going to be using the Fit Me Dewy and Smooth foundation, and this one, it works just as well. I don't like dewy looks because I do sweat a lot. I'm just going to spread the foundation. Also comment other people that you would like me to do tutorials on the comments. We're just going to spread the foundation out evenly throughout the skin. We don't want it to be too cakey though. As I mentioned, I feel like Kali Uchis' makeup is very much inspired by Latina queen makeup. I'm saying it's Latina girl makeup. It's very much inspired by that because I can tell every step that is in her routine is in the Latina girl's makeup tutorial. I'm not gonna be color correcting because I don't think she color corrects because she's gorgeous. I am gonna be applying concealer. This is the Beauty Creations concealer. This is the concealer I use. I used to use the Maybelline one, but this one works so much better. She rolled her concealer in the video. I'm sorry babes, but this is too full coverage to be rolling around. Like, I don't know if y'all ever seen Kali Uchis makeup, but she always perfects her moles. So I'm just gonna call out my moles. There's one right here and there's one under my eye, which has disappeared through the concealer. She highlights them so you know she has them. I'm just gonna blend down. She has such a light hand with makeup. She doesn't go super heavy with the makeup. The look we're currently doing, as you can tell, she has very skin-like features on there. It's just fully smoothed out, and she is very sun-kissed with that contour. And I recently bought a new contour, so this is gonna be the first time trying it. So this is also a slight review. So I have the new Rare Beauty bronzer stick, and we're gonna be trying it out on this video. Rare Beauty bronzer stick. This is in the shade Always Sunny. Selena, she's my queen. To use a brush, because like swiping it with your foundation, you know, that's not a very smart idea. Okay, so we have the stick right here. Use a brush to apply it to the sides and apply it. It's looking very sunny. This is blending beautiful. What? Selena did that. Oh my god. Miss Selena ate. I literally named my dog after Selena Gomez. Okay, now let's apply it to the forehead. Look at the difference. Look at this side and then look at this side. very much white ghost and very much sculpted. Jawline. We're just gonna make us look skinny. Disappear the jawline. Oh my god, you can see it. Y'all need the Rare Beauty bronzer stick now. Whenever you're doing your forehead bronzer, just bronze upwards to your hairline, not downwards, because then you're gonna see the difference between your hairline to your bronzer. In this picture, I see that she is matted up, so we must use little powder. By little, I mean we need a lot of powder. Personally speaking, we need a kimchi powder. So I'm gonna be using this round one because if you watch her vogue video, she says she does an upside down triangle. So I'm gonna just use a round one out because that's what her upside down triangle looks like. The one that comes in the kimchi powder, by the way. Put it down here. She bakes, so we're definitely baking. And then she goes in and does the middle line like that. And then let's do the other side. So my trick for the nose is you start off big up here and then ended up like very slightly small nose. Do the side, which she snatches with powder, goes in. Guys, the first time I ever heard of Uchis, it was through Tyler the Creator, and I was a big fan of Tyler the Creator, like obsessed. I had an era. We're gonna take it off in a little bit with a fluffy brush, but we are gonna prime the eyelids very quickly before we get to that part. I'm gonna prime with a concealer. Use a concealer that is the same color as your skin. I'm just gonna go in with the brush and blend it out. The brushes I have to pick out an eye look. So the only eyeshadow palette that you will need for this look is this ColourPop palette. It is the Sweet Talk palette. ColourPop always has discounts, so this one's a pretty good one to get. The perfect shades you probably need for just a simple Uchis look. It does not have black though, so get your own black. I'm just gonna wipe off the side powder that she wipes off. So you slightly tap it in and then wipe off. Okay guys, now it is time for the eyeshadow look, and let's get into it with the palette. I'm gonna go in and tap it a bit. You're going to just apply the color over where your lid closes. Apply the entire color. It does not have to look blended yet. Make sure you're getting the pigment in. You don't have to blend. Okay, so when you get to this end, you just want to start going upwards. Before you do the next step, you should probably do the other eye. So this eye is super difficult for me because it has a cut. I don't know why it has it. I can't really explain to you. Like, just go in with the super dark shade and go like that. And that's how you get it to darken down the middle. It's not blended. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a super fluffy brush and start blending the lighter shade. Blend your life away. So now you see the difference between blending and not blending. You're going to need a flat brush to use for concealer. This one does have to be the lighter shade that you use. Now your crease is going to be, you're gonna apply some, close your eye, and your crease is going to be where it ended up on. The part where it ended up on, and you're gonna start applying all over your crease. We cut the lid. Now the difficult part is you have to cut the angle. Okay, like that. We're just gonna let that dry. Now we're just gonna apply a glitter. Okay guys, so I ended up finding some gold shimmers with some orangey tones. This is how it's looking. Trust the process. Now we're going to apply the eyeliner. She has powdered eyeliner on, so we're going to be using a black eyeshadow now. The same palette I use for the shimmers, and the black we're going to be using. I'm going to start doing the liner. It's going to be exactly where the wing is. There is going to be fallout, by the way. And we're going to go in now here into the waterline where the lashes go. So you're going to do that on the other side as well. But before we do that, I'm just going to show you how to do the other eyeliner. Go into the black shade, and now we're just going to go into the same eye. We're going to go from the water line, and we're going to extend it like that. And then you're going to clean it up with the concealer brush. Now we're going to attach it to the waterline. Going into the waterline with the black eyeshadow. Now let me go do this on the other side. Okay guys, so eyeshadow look is done. As you can tell, I did the double eyeliner on both sides. Now what I'm gonna do is wipe off the powder. Okay, so I'm gonna apply highlighter with the e.l.f. Halo wand. Okay, this is my first time trying the e.l.f. Halo wand. Okay, you guys ready? Yeah, that's crazy. Oh, okay. She's blinding. Wait, let me blend this over here. I like it. So first we need to apply a little bit more bronzer. Yep, we need to look super bronzed up. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply a berry orangey blush. I don't have orange blush, so here is a DIY hack. You're gonna grab your orange eyeshadows and you're gonna go into them and use them as blush. So I'm gonna be using this super peachy orangey shade. We're just going to slowly blend it into the skin. Now the blush is going to just give us that orange tint that she has in the photo. Now let's get into the craziest lip combo ever. Oh, she says she doesn't like a red liner, lip liner. Okay guys, so I went ahead and applied lashes, and now we're gonna change the lip combo because it was a little too red, and I found this lip pencil right here, and it's a little bit more brownish tones, as you can tell. So she uses like a pinky tone over her natural color, and then she mentioned she likes metallic, so I have this metallic Morphe Jeffree Star one. I can't really tell, but it's metallic. But I'm gonna apply this around the middle. I'm gonna apply my Maybelline lip gloss. This one's super shiny, like a Fenty dupe, and that is the full look. Let me just take off my clips. Clip 2. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this makeup look in the comments down below. Guys, I thought I was done. I forgot to do my moles. It's the most important thing. One mole, and the ones right here. Hey guys, so I am officially done with the look, as you can see. I sorted some of it off because it took forever to get the battery to charge, but I started filming some videos for my TikTok. So if you guys have any other artists you want me to recreate their makeup looks, comment down below. Here's the look closed up. Don't make me heavy breathing. But yeah, this is the look. Jeez, my sister was like, you look like Kali Uchis makeup. I was like, babes, this is the Kali Uchis tutorial. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe. It's like right next to the thumbs up button. Like, come on.